Indian Railways, the lifeline of our nation, the fourth largest railway network in the world. Every year, it carries over 8 billion passengers, more than the population of the entire planet. In this vast and dynamic operation, one question guides every innovation. How can we make every journey safer? For over 15 years, E2E Rail has been at the heart of India's railway transformation, designing, building and system integrating advanced infrastructure that strengthens the backbone of our nation's rail network. From this deep expertise in signaling and telecom, a bold idea emerged to create something completely indigenous. A vision to build the most advanced, reliable and intelligent safety systems that the nation could proudly call its own. And that vision gave birth to Nova Control Tecnologix. Nova's journey began with a powerful collaboration between Nova and Tata Elxsi to design and develop a 100% indigenously made automatic train protection system for Indian Railways. A product that embodies the spirit of Atmanirbhar Bharat and the precision of cutting-edge technology. Today, we are ready to present a breakthrough that will redefine India's rail technology landscape. Made in India, built with the highest level of engineering excellence and designed to make our railways safer, smarter and faster. Let's move forward together to engineer safety by empowering innovation. Proudly presenting our first product, Automatic Train Protection System, Kavach 4.0.